Welcome everybody, it's Mike Smith from Hawkeye Options here. Delighted you could join me today. We're looking at Halliburton, HAL ticker code, and let's just look across what's happening technically with this particular stock and subsequently how we might play it. Now, if we look at the daily chart first of all, we move back into congestion. We had this pivot low 4 sessions ago. We bounced back over 44, which does appear to be important. That pivot low is around about $42. You'll see it equally on the 2-day chart there. We've got pivot high just above 46 on here. So 42 on the bottom end, 46 on the top end. And we are in uptrend on the 2-day and weekly, which suggests that this congestion may hold. And indeed, we may stay in this range here. So because of that, and because the fact that we have got neutral volume on the daily chart, we are tempted to look at a rangebound trade, a butterfly trade on HAL, and our trade setup with this would be buying a $42 call, which is that pivot low area there. We would buy a 46 call at again related to the pivot high there, that consistent with it being in the range, and then we'd go mid-range at $44 with our sold call leg. Remember, we're selling twice as many sold call legs as the individual bought call contracts. So, for example, we may do 20 of the 42, sell 40 of the 44, and buy 20 of the 46. Now, in terms of today, we will be looking at what happens to this sector subsequent to the oil inventory numbers being released. And so we may well use that high that we saw 2 days ago, and indeed was tested here, as a potential high spot for considering caution when entering this trade. So that may be enough to dissuade us from entering this, but if it stays below $44.80, then we may well be tempted to enter that 42, 44, 46 butterfly. And that's just one of the trades I'm considering for today. So before we go, if you'd like to see everything I'm considering and see the trades I'm really taking, why not take a trial to my Options Elite alert and trading service? That way, you can see exactly how I find the best trades that can produce the largest returns whilst keeping the risk low. Just click on the link below and get started today. You'll be glad you did. See you soon.